Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cellular data not working issue on your Apple device in iOS 27. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 27, and the cellular data is not working on your device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to general and then go to about, and from here check if there are any career updates available for you. So guys, if there are any career updates, then you have to simply update them, and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time from here, or turn on the toggle for set automatically. After this go back and go to language and region, tap on a region and select your country or region correctly. Again go back and then go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device, and if there is any connected VPN, simply disconnect it. And after this go back and go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time from here. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply take out your SIM card from your device for one time, and after this insert the SIM card again on your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply contact your service provider for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.